Our today's topic is logarithm. This is completely a formula based chapter. Logarithm is basically used to solve complex calculation. Okay, so at first we will see all the formulas, then we will see some examples to solve these problems. A to the power n equals to b. We will convert this into logarithm function. Convert this into logarithmic function. So we will write log of a base b equals to n. This is known as the base. This is the base. Okay, first formula. Second one, log of 1 equals to 0. That means log 1 equals to 0. Number 3, log a base a equals to 1. Okay, that is same. Next, log mn, we can write log m plus log n. That means log of mn means log of m plus log of n. Okay, similarly we can write log m by n, that is division. In case of division we use log this m minus. Okay, next log m whole to the power n. In case of log, the power comes first. In case of log, the power comes log first. So we shall write n log m. Okay, this is one of the important formula. Next, log this m. Okay, we can write it log into just we are changing, see, a base m. Okay, therefore log m base b into log b base a. Okay, now log, we can write log b by log a. Okay, another thing, that is log 10. Log 10 up to class 10 we will use log 10. Okay, after that we shall use log e. The value of log 10 is 1. Okay, log of this b we can write, that is equals to 1 by log of. These are the different formulas we will use while solving logarithm. Okay, now I will show some examples so that you can understand these formulas. Convert the following to logarithmic form. Okay, this is the first part. 10 to the power 4 equals to 1000. How can we convert this exponential form into logarithm function? That is, you can write number 1, that is 10 to the power 4 equals to 1000. Okay, that is log, this will be the base, log 10 equals to 4. While converting in logarithmic form, this will be the base of 10,000. How can we verify this? Sure, why not? Log 10, that is 10,000 means 10 to the power 4. We can write 10 means 10 to the power 4. From the formula we came to know that the power comes first. That is 4 log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 means 1. That is 4 into 1. That is 4. Okay, verified. Now, the second one. That is 0.3 whole cube equals to 0.027. Now, logarithmic form, that is log 0.3 will be the base of 0.027 equals to 3. Okay, how will it prove this? Same, log 0.3, that is 0.3 whole cube. Okay, that is 3 will come first. 3 log 0.3, that is 3 into 1. We know 0 log, from formula we get log a base a equals to 1. Okay, similarly log 0.3 will be 1, that is 3 into 1, 3. Good. Okay, the first one, this is how we convert the following into logarithmic form. The next part. Second example, convert the following into exponential form. The first one we have converted to logarithmic function, and this one we are converting into exponential form. How? Just see. Log, that is, sorry, this will be 81. So, log 3 base 81. We can write 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. How? Just see. Log 3, we can write 3 to the power 4, that is 4 log 3 base 3, that is 4. Okay, so we can get this. So we can write the power, the base will come here and 4 will be the power of this 3. Okay, that is log 3 base 3 to the power 4. That is the power will come first, that is 4 log 3 plus 3, that is 4. Similarly, the second one, we can write 8 whole to the power 5 by 3 equals to 32. How? It means 2 cube into 5 by 3. That is 2 to the power 5. This is 32. So this is the exponential form for both the sums. Okay. Solve the following. How can we solve this? Just for example, log equals to x. Okay. Now we will convert it into exponential form. Exponential form means 2 will be the, x will be the power of 2. X will be the power of 2. That is 16 equals to 2 to the power x. Okay. Now 16 means 2 to the power 4 equals to 2 to the power x. Therefore x equals to 4. This is how we can solve. Similarly, the second one we can write log equals to x. Okay, therefore x will be the power of root 2. 8 equals to root 2 whole to the power x. We know that 8 means 2 cube equals to root 2 whole to the power x. We can write root 2 whole square into 3. Root 2 means root 2 whole square equals to 2. So we can write 2 as root 2 whole square equals to root 2 whole to the power x. Therefore 6 equals to x. This is how we can solve. First we have to convert it into the exponential form, then we have just solved this. So we'll shift to the next example. See example 4. Log x plus 10 equals to a and log y 10 equals to b. Write 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of a and write 10 to the power 2b in terms of b. And next, if log base p equals to 2a minus b, express p in terms of x and y. Now, log solution. Log 10 base equals to a. Therefore, x equals to 10 to the power a. exponential form. Similarly, y equals to 10 to the power b. Okay. Now the first one, write 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of a. Exponents, that is 10 to the power a minus 1. We can write 10 to the power a by 10 to the power 1. That is 10 to the power a by 10. So 10 to the power a means x. We can write x by 10. So number 1 complete. Number 2, 10 to the power 2b. 10 to the power 2b. We can write 10 to the power b whole square. 10 to the power b means y. Therefore y square. Number 2 complete. Now log p equals to 2a minus b. So we can write p equals to 10 to the power 2a minus b. Now that is 10 to the power 2a by 10 to the power of b. Minus in power. Minus sign in power means division. That is, we can write 10 to the power a whole square by 10 to the power of b. 10 to the power a means we know that x. Therefore, x square by 10 to the power b means y. That is x square by y. So this is how we can express 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of b, 10 to the power 2b in terms of 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of a, 10 to the power 2b in terms of b, and so on. Okay. Just a second. It will be in terms of x. It will be in terms of y. Okay. So we will shift to the next example. There are some examples. Just say evaluate log 125 by log root 5. So log 125 by log of root 5. Log 125 we can write 5 cube by log of root 5. Now we can write 5 as root 5 whole square, log root 5 whole square 3 by log of root 5. Now we know the power comes first, that is 6 log root 5 by log root 5. Therefore the answer is 6. Okay, that is log 125 means log 5 cube by log root 5. So we can write 5 as root 5 whole square. Therefore root 5 whole square into 3, that is the power is 6, and we know in case of log the power comes first. Therefore 6 log root 5 by root 5. Root 5 log root 5 log root 5 will get cancelled out and the answer will be 6. The next one, that is express as a single logarithm, that is 2 plus half log 9 base 10 minus 2 log 5 base 10. So we can write 2 as 2 into 1 plus log to the power half minus log 10 5 base 10 whole square. Now 1 I can write log 10 base 10 plus log 10, that is square root of 9 minus log 10 5 square, that is 25. So this will be log 10 square base 10 plus log 3 is 10 minus log 25 base 10. We know that log a plus log b equals to log ab, and log a minus log b will be log a by b. Therefore in case of plus sign we can multiply, that is log 10 square, that is 100 into 3. Since it is minus, I will divide it. Therefore 4, that is log 10 12 base 10. This is how we can express it into a single logarithm. Okay, 2. In case of 2, we can write 2 into 1, that is log 10 base 10, and this is the power, half is the power, therefore 9 to the power half, that means root over 9, and 2 is the power, that is 5 square, that is 25. Therefore this is also power, the power, that is 10 square. Since plus log a plus log b will be log a into b, and this is minus sign, that is it will get divided, that is 100 into 3 by 25, that is log 12 base 10. Now the third one, here it is given that log a by b minus c equals to log b by c minus a equals to log c by a minus b. We have to prove that a to the power a into b to the power b into c to the power c equals to 1. Now we can write log a by b minus c equals to log b by c minus a equals to log c by a minus b equals to k. Let therefore log a equals to k into b minus c, log b equals to k into c minus a, and log c equals to k into a minus b. Now if I write a log a plus b log b plus c log c, okay, that is a log a into k into b minus c plus b into k c minus a plus c into k a minus b. Okay, now that is kab minus kac plus kbc minus kab plus kac minus kbc. Okay, just we are multiplying this, therefore kab minus kab will get cancelled out, minus kac plus kac will get cancelled out, kbc minus kbc will get cancelled out, that is 0. Now this one, can we write a log a means log a to the power a plus b log b means plus log of b to the power b, and c log c plus c log c, that is log c to the power c. Now there is plus sign in between the log. We know that log a plus log b will be log ab, therefore we can write log a to the power a into b to the power b into c to the power c, and the answer is 0. The answer is 0. Okay, 0 means log 1. We know that log 1 means 0, so we can substitute here, that is log of a to the power a into b to the power b into c to the power c equals to log 1. Therefore taking anti-log, that is the log will get cancelled. We cannot cancel like this, but we are taking anti-log both sides, that is a to the power a into b to the power b into c to the power c equals to 1. Proved. Okay, now we will move towards the next examples. Solve for x. We have to solve for x, that is to find the value of x. Log a minus log b, we can write log a by b, that is log of 5x minus 4 by x plus 1 equals to log 4. Taking anti-log in both the sides, there will be no log, therefore 5x minus 4 by x plus 1 equals to 4. Just cross multiply. 5x minus 4 equals to 4 into x plus 1, that is 5x minus 4 equals to 4x plus 4. 5x minus 4x equals to 4 plus 4. Therefore, x equals to 8. Log a minus log b, that is log a by b, equals to log 4. Taking anti-log, that is 5x minus 4 by x plus 1 equals to 4. Just cross multiply it. That is 4 into x plus 1 equals to 5x minus 4. 4x plus 4, that is 5x minus 4x equals to 4. This minus sign will be plus over here, that is x equals to 8. Now the next one, you can pause the video and copy it down. Now the next one, what is given? Just see, 3 to the power log x minus 2 to the power log x equals to 2 to the power log x plus 1 minus 3 to the power log x minus 1. We have to apply the formula of indices over here. How? Just see, 3 to the power log x minus 2 to the power log x equals to, we can write 2 to the power log x into 2 to the power 1 plus sign in power, that is it will be multiplied, that is 2 to the power log x into 2 to the power 1 minus 3 to the power log x into 3 to the power minus 1. Minus 3 to the power log x minus 1, we can write 3 to the power log x minus 2 to the power log x into 2 to the power log x minus 3 to the power log x by 3. Okay, so we are taking the 3 to the power log x in one side and 2 to the power log x in the other. Therefore, we can write 3 to the power log x plus 1 by 3 into 3 to the power log x equals to 2 into 2 to the power log x plus 2 to the power log x. Now 3 to the power log x you can take common, that is 1 plus 1 by 3 equals to 2 to the power log x is common, that is 2 plus 1. Therefore 3 to the power log x into 4 by 3 equals to 2 to the power log x into 3. Okay, now we can write 3 to the power log x by 2 to the power log x equals to 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, now we can write, that is 3 by 2 whole to the power log x equals to 9 by 4. Therefore 3 by 2 whole to the power log x equals to 3 by 2 whole square. Therefore log x equals to 2. We know that up to class 10 we will use 10 as the base. Therefore we can write log x base 10 equals to 2. Now we will convert this logarithm function into exponential function. That means x equals to 10 square. That is x equals to 100. Okay, so this is how we solved the logarithmic function. Now the next one. Here it is given that a square plus b square equals to 7ab. We have to prove that 2 log a plus b equals to log 9 plus log a plus log b. How can we solve this? Prove this. Given a square plus b square equals to 7ab. We are taking 2ab, we are adding 2ab on both sides. So we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 7ab plus 2ab. Right, that is a plus b whole square. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. That is a plus b whole square equals to 9ab. Now we can take log on both sides. Log on both sides. That means we can write log a plus b whole square equals to log 9ab. This is the power. The power will come at the beginning. That is 2 log a plus b. This is log 9ab. We can write. We know log ab equals to log a plus log b. So we can write that is log 9 plus log a plus log b. Proved. Very simple method. We have just added 2ab on both the sides. Now this is the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab is the formula of a plus b whole square equals to 9ab. Therefore we are taking log on both the sides. Therefore log a plus b whole square equals to log 9ab. This is the power. In case of log, the power comes first. That is 2 log a plus b equals to log 9ab. So log 9ab means, we know log ab, log a into b means log a plus log b. Therefore log 9 into a into b, we can write log 9 plus log a plus log b. That is what is to be proved. Okay, so that's all for the logarithm chapter. Thank you.